Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I did not know, see learning curve, that there was a time limit on these videos, so I got cut off on the last one. So we only have like one slide left, so I'll go real quick through it. So like I was saying, because plants take in more water, they have to have one large vacuole, whereas animal cells that do not take in as much water have many small vacuoles, okay? So moving on, we have lysosomes. Now this is another one that's only found in one of the cells. It's only found in animal cells. So plant cells do not have lysosomes. Now what these do is these are little organelles that contain enzymes that help digest food. So enzymes are little like chemicals that are almost like acidic chemicals that help with digestion. Now what these do is they engulf food and waste materials or damaged organelles, and they basically eat them and get rid of them, because if there was a bunch of food and damaged organelles floating around the cell, there wouldn't be room in the cell for anything else. So the lysosomes take care of eating those. It is said that plant cells sometimes have lysosomes, but it's very rare. So we're just going to go with the fact that lysosomes are only found in animal cells. And they basically help protect it and get rid of all that damage and foreign invaders. So I refer to them as like Pac-Man or Joey from Friends, if we have any Friends fans. Pac-Man and Joey are constantly eating. So Pac-Man's job is just to constantly be eating all those little ball-like things in the game. And Joey, if you ever watch Friends, he's constantly eating something, a meatball sandwich, pizza, whatever. So the lysosomes are like the Joeys and the Pac-Mans of the cell. They're eating all the damaged things. And that's it. We're done. So like I said, take this video, use it to help you with the labeling project next week. If you haven't done, or later this week, if you haven't done the organelle chart or any of the assignments for the last couple days, you might want to use this to help you complete those. Or if you want to go back and make corrections to those things, you're more than welcome to do so. And like I said, we'll be having a quiz down the road, and this will definitely be helpful with that. So thank you for watching this and bearing with me, and I will touch base with you guys later on this week. So have a great day. Bye, guys.